In this video, we're going to look at a special case of a compound inequality with the AND conjunction. So we're going to go ahead and begin solving this as we would in any other compound inequality. I'm going to solve both of these separately, so I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides over here. I'm left with negative 2r is greater than or equal to 4. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2. I'm dividing by a negative, so of course I'm going to remember to flip the direction of the inequality. So on this side I get r is less than or equal to negative 2. And we'll solve the other side. I'll subtract 3 from both sides here to get 2r is less than 2. I'll divide both sides by 2, and I'll get r is less than 1. Okay, so we'll go ahead and begin to look at the solution to this on the number line. So let's put the key numbers in there. I'll put negative 2 on there and 1. Now I'm going to start by graphing each of these above the number line before we find out what the overall inequality is on the number line. So we are less than negative 2, less than or equal to negative 2, so that's a closed dot, and we're going to the left because we're looking for values smaller. And this other one is r is less than 1, that's strictly less than, so it's an open circle, and to the left. Now for an AND inequality, we're looking for a situation where both of these coexist. So if we visually just kind of go through and we look at like this point on the graph, here we see none of the lines there. Here we see one line there, but they're not both there. Here we see one line there. But then over here, here's the section where we see both lines exist. So that's really the part that we want to represent in our final solution. So we'll put that down on the number line. It's where they overlap. Closed circle on negative 2. Closed circle on negative 2, and to the left is what we want on the number line. We also want to represent that with the written inequality, and that ultimately is just the inequality r is less than or equal to 2. We don't really need r is less than 1. It doesn't provide us with any more information. So please indicate your final answer as concisely as possible. R is less than or equal to negative 2.